In this quick tutorial video, we're going to show you how to check your bonus points with NDOW's new licensing system. The very first step is to head over to ndowlicensing.com and sign up and claim your account. If you've already done so, then simply log in. Once you've logged into your account, you'll land on the My Account Profile page. Now keep in mind that we've imported all of your historical information, but we would suggest that you look through all of that information to verify its accuracy. And if you need to make any modifications, simply use the Edit Profile function. On the left-hand side of the page here, you'll see that you can check your order history, you can manage your payment methods, view your current licenses and permits, or skip down to the Applications and Points tab, and that's where we'll be able to verify our points. On the Application History tab here, you can search by year to see your applications. You can see here in our test account that we have a withdrawn application. Let's jump over to the Points tab, and this is where we can view the current point balance. Now we have it categorized by species. You can see here in the test account that we have the wild turkey limited hunt with a current point balance of 5. Mule deer has 7, elk 9, so on and so forth. And that's that. We urge you to log into your account, check out your bonus points, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to our support staff. We appreciate everything that you do to support Nevada's wildlife, and we wish you the very best of luck this year.